go down, and there's a trail that goes straight to the side of that cliff. All right, let's see if we can do this. I think I can get to that, walk along the side of the rocks over there and throw my line out. Oh, here's a little weight. I'm gonna climb up over here and try to see if I can get a little farther out, a little higher up, so I don't stay in the splash zone over here. I'm turning back now. I really got to be careful right here, because this is a lot more slippery and steep than I'm used to. All right, I had to get to a new spot because the last one was a little bit too dangerous and steep and slippery and all the above, man. So just drive a little bit south or north along the Sonoma coast, and you'll find some rocky areas where you can do some rock fishing. So I'm about to start a new hike. The last one was pretty brutal, so here comes another one. Big chunks of squid on this time. Smaller hooks so I don't get snagged as easily, hopefully. That's my theory. And if there is small fish, they'll be able to get hooked easily as well. Because as you can see in my last video, I wasn't connecting to nothing, so I figure if I get some smaller hooks, using 2/0 instead of 3/0 this time. Same thing, octopus hooks. Big 6-ounce coin weight because it's really rough today. As you can see, not an ideal amount of area over here as far as space goes, but I'm trying to stay up high because I'm not risking getting washed up by a swell or something. So kind of wait a little bit, wait for these big swells to pass by, and then I'll throw my line out. Should be good right now. Make sure my drag's extra tight. Just keep tension on that thing. See how when I get a bite, keep my line tight, reel down, so that when it bites again or starts biting like crazy, I'm gonna try to set that hook so you got leverage to pull back. So I lowered it down, but my line's still tight so that I can feel every little bite. Once it starts hammering on you, like you feel like it has it in its mouth, that's when you try to set the hook. So, oh man, I completely broke off. really too fond of the hooks, but this is some strong line on here, and I only have 30-pound mono in it. For some reason, that mono just a 30-pound breaks so easily out here when I get snagged. So I'm just gonna keep messing with this. Figured I'd get up to the high grounds, scope the area out. Haven't really got any bites in a while, so this rock's actually pretty nice up here. I was right down there the whole time. I don't even know how easy it was not only to get up, but how much room I have to, if I do pull a fish up, I can handle it. All right, so try to go a little farther. Oh, I thought I had one. It was a big hit. Oh man, that was a big hit. Man, look at how beautiful it is out here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Alright, my GoPro battery, both of them died for a little bit, so I had to charge them, but I am getting huge hits down there and big hits, but I'm not trying to be impatient today. I'm just kind of letting them try to take it, man, because as you know, the last video I kept trying to set the hook and it wasn't working very well, so I'm trying to be a little bit more patient today. But I'm getting good bites out there right now, so I'm hoping to catch on to something right now. See that bird out there? It's exactly where I want to be. He's probably diving for the fish, man. He's got the same idea I do. Oh, hopefully I didn't land right on top of him. That was like exactly where he was. All right. The tide's actually getting kind of low right now. You can see earlier all these rocks were underwater. All these rocks in here were underwater. Which is almost a good thing, because then I can maybe access some better spots out here that I can throw a little farther out in some deeper water. See if I can get to the high grounds up here. See what it's looking like. Still pretty rough. There is a big pool down there, so if I do catch a fish, I could just store it right there. Just gonna toss it right in here. Wait for it to calm down a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. This water is still powerful today. Oh, finally got a fish. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see what it is. See what it is. Oh, kelp greenling. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's about time, man. Been out here for a while. These need to be 12 to keep. It looks more than 12, so I am one happy camper. Oh yeah, he's about 13 and a half. This one's a keeper. First fish of the day. There we go, baby. Kelp greenling. All right, let's keep going. I found the money spot now. Perfect little tide pool right here. You can chill for a while, stay alive. Man, I just walked around the corner and look what I found. This one's real. Man, someone had a bad day, an ugly stick. Whoever's ugly stick this is, it sure is ugly. And throw it right down in the spot where I caught that last fish. This is probably my best bet right here. I think I got one more full squid left before I'm totally out of squid, and then I'm gonna switch to swim baits. But oh, I think I got a bite right off the bat. Alright guys, I just lost another setup, another rig. So I'm kind of tired of losing stuff, getting snagged. So I'm gonna end up doing a little weedless swim bait. You can see the hooks not really exposed. You can basically just dig the worm into the hook and less chance of getting snagged. So I got a couple swim baits I'm gonna try to use. This one I hooked up on a big ling cod, my first big ling cod on this exact setup right here. That's why the hook's all bent, man. Killer. Anyways, I'm gonna mess around with what I got. I got a bunch of swim baits in here that I'm gonna throw out for them. Try to get some weedless stuff going on right now because I'm just losing too much stuff out here. But anyways,